Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st of November. And first of all, national news. I am distressed. Prime Minister Modi got emotional as he mentions Gujarat tragedy. Air India ordered to refund 44,000 cancellation fee for flight during lockdown. Kerala journalist Siddiqui Kappan bail plea rejected by UP court to stay in jail. 9 arrested for Gujarat tragedy, including staff of firm that repaired bridge. Home Ministry declared medals for special security operations in 2022. Uttar Pradesh Ranipur got India's 53rd Tiger Reserve. Plan to withdraw AFSPA from two more areas in future, Assam Chief Minister. Delhi halted construction as air quality likely to worsen tomorrow. Notice to center poll body on play related to voting rights to prisoners. Pak using drones to smuggle weapons. Jammu and Kashmir top cop said. Mia Museum founder received Al Qaeda funding, Assam police said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a 3-day visit to Gujarat, laid the foundation stones of several water supply projects. And now, some international news. Twitter will revise its user verification process, Elon Musk said. COP27 Climate Summit to test resolve of world battling war, inflation. Workers flee China's largest iPhone factory after COVID lockdown. Ukraine suffering water power cuts after massive Russian missile strikes. Russia fired more than 50 missiles, hit critical infrastructure. Ukraine. Ukraine forces have repelled fire's offensive in Donetsk, Zelensky. US Supreme Court to hear Roe over minority admissions in top universities. European Union could list Iran's Revolutionary Guards as terrorists. Lula made a stunning comeback to defeat Bolsonaro in Brazil election. South Korea began probe into deadly Halloween stampede. China urged US to end ideological bias while dealing, a report said. And now some sports news. Absolute invasion of privacy. Virat Kohli on leaked video of his hotel room. Premier League. Marcus Rashford's 100th Manchester United goal sing West Ham United. La Liga leaders Real Madrid dropped points against Girona Betis strike late. Max Verstappen claimed record 14th win of season with Mexico Grand Prix triumph. Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty won French Open men's doubles title. And now news related to business. Sensex scales to over a 1-month high, rised 1.3% to 60,746 points. Rupee fall to 82.72 against a resurgent dollar as risk appetite declined. Retail inflation for industrial workers rise to 6.4% in September on higher food prices. RBI set to launch digital rupee pilot for wholesale segment on Tuesday. India warned oil producers on prices. Actions have consequences. Core sector output expanded by 7.9% in September. India's April to September fiscal deficit touched $74.91 billion center. No confirmation from Twitter. Minister on reports of fee for blue tick. Global food supplies at risk after Russia's withdrawal from UN brokered grain deal. Gautam Adani bounced back to 3 on Forbes' rich list, overtakes Jeff Bezos again. Tata Steel Q2 net profit dropped 90% to Rs 1,297 crore on higher expenses. News related to science and technology. Important for India and US to work together in science and technology, NSF Director. ISRO said it wants to develop reusable rocket for carrying heavy payloads, asked industry to collaborate. China successfully launched final module of Tiangong space station. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 1st November in New Delhi will reach to 32 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 19 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.